Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add custom tokens on Coinbase Wallet. So, in today's video I will address a question many users have been asking: how to add a custom token in Coinbase Wallet. So, if you've been using Coinbase Wallet, you might have noticed that some tokens don't automatically show up in your portfolio. Naturally, you might wonder if there's a way to manually add custom tokens similar to what's possible with other wallets. Unfortunately, Coinbase Wallet does not currently support this feature. Coinbase Wallet is designed to automatically detect supported tokens on major networks like Ethereum and Polygon. If your token isn't recognized by the wallet, there's no option to manually input the contact address or add it to your list. This can be a limitation for those dealing with lesser known or newly launched tokens. But it's simply not something the platform allows right now. It's important to know that Coinbase is always working to improve its services. While manual token addition isn't available today, it's possible that Coinbase could implement this feature in the future. Until then, you're limited to the tokens the wallet can automatically detect. I hope this video clears up any confusion you might have had about this topic. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and thanks for watching.